Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be teaching you Burnin' Up by the Jonas Brothers. And I'm going to start off with the right hand, which is the melody of the song. Let me just show you real quick and then I'll break it down to you. So that's how it goes. I'm going to show you it slower. So it goes D, C, D, C, D, B, A, B, G, D, C. And then play it again for the second time. So you go, actually for the second time, you're going to add this, which is the G. And it goes, and it goes up to D. That was kind of confusing for you guys, but I'm going to show you it again. So after the song is restarting, I'm going to show you it again. So cool, you go around like you know who I am, but you don't. You got me on my toes. So that's how the right hand goes. So I'm going to show you it step by step now. So it goes D, C, twice, and back to D, so B, A, B, G, D, C, and you're gonna play G, D, C again, and again, and then back to D, play this 3 times, back to D, and then, and if you know the lyrics, it will help you get the right key if you mess up. So the next part is the chorus. So it goes G to G. Let me move back a little bit so you can see. So it goes from, so it's very easy. So go from the lower G to the higher G. And you just come your way down, like just. So let's play that one more time. Sorry, wrong thing. So it goes from G, G, F, E, D, C, back up until you stop at E. And you're gonna play it again with an extra. Like that. So it's basically, you kind of will get the hang of it as you keep going. So 1, 2, 3. And you just come back with the D and C. Bum, bum. And after that that's basically the whole song. But I'm gonna show you the left hand right now. The left hand goes A, C, G, F, A, C, G, F. You can play with the one key if you're just learning, but if you want to, after you learn the song, you pause it, you learn. If you want to add more volume into your song, you can add the chord, which will be A, C, E. Then you can add C, D, G, and then you can add, as you can see, G, B, and D, F, A, and C. And as you keep going more and more in the song, you can add a 4 chord. You can just, it's the simple chord, but you just add the original note in the thumb. It's my bad. You got me on my keep the A's. Oh, sorry. C's. Oh. Oh. Boom. Wait, hold on. You go, if you want to hit the E,